All right, so today I am going to do an unboxing of this Hero 9 Black. Just got it in yesterday, and this is the bundle edition that they started selling on the website, which seems like a pretty good deal. It's $349, and it comes with the GoPro, and it has a few accessories here. So we're gonna open it up and check it out. Bought it directly from their website. They say it's their Black Friday deal, so it has this nice little tab here in the bottom. You just go like that, and then we can pull everything out, and it has its own little case. So once we take this out, this is what the case looks like. So now let's open up the case and check it out. So it looks like here, and then we open it up, and there it is. So it has the GoPro here in the middle. So first thing, I'm coming from a Hero 7, so first thing I can tell is that it looks definitely bigger. Is it coming out? Is it not? Seems like it's nicely packaged in a cardboard around it. Okay, there we go. So here it is. I'll compare it to the Hero 7, and we can see what the size looks like. So here's the 9, here's the 7. So definitely bigger, but I'm assuming because it's bigger, it's going to like produce better quality images because it probably has a better sensor, I'm assuming, but it has a bigger battery too, is what I would guess. And it has a display in the front. So yeah, so this comes with the Hero 9 there, and it comes with an additional battery. The bundle comes with an additional one of these. So now we have two of these, which is nice because you do run out of batteries, and the device does use up your battery if the Wi-Fi thing is on when it's off. So we have a cable here. Looks like a USB-C cable. I think it's magnetic. This thing is magnetic here. Has this clip that is magnetic here, magnetic on the back, and you can attach it to things, which is kind of nice. And then it has this here, which I believe is floats. So it's just stick to hold it, and it floats in the water, which is nice too. And then it comes with some accessories here. So I guess the main thing is you do get a case with it, which is nice to have everything in one place, because I'm always running around trying to find it. So having a case for it is nice. I already had one of these, like a yellow one that floats. This one is like a grippy one. Feels kind of nice. And then the cable here, some manuals, a few clips here. Let's see if there's anything else underneath. No, that's it. So I guess this you can use, or you can take out now and put this guy in here. All right, so this is the bundle set. You can get directly. Oh, it also comes with one memory chip, little small one. You can upgrade it. This is a 32 gig. I usually use a 128 on the website. I think for $14 you can upgrade to a 64 gig. So I could have done that, but since I use my 128 anyways as my main one, I didn't feel like I needed to do that. And let's see if this thing even. Let's see, can we unwrap it easily? Okay, right here. Yeah, there's a little clip here. So open that up. It looks like this. Yeah, pretty nice display here on this side. Here, on the back. Again, to compare size. Yeah, it's definitely bigger. And it has the built-in attachments in the bottom, which is really nice. Because on my 7, I basically have to use something like this to be able to attach it to things. So this one's built in, so that's kind of nice. All right, so that's the first look on the Hero 9 bundle pack you can get directly from their site. All right, hope that was useful to someone. Thanks for watching. Definitely like and subscribe if you like this kind of content, and we'll catch you at the next one. All right, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.